We're headed into Hollywood Studios this morning, and the line is a little bit long to get on the Skyliner. We have a boarding group here for Rise of the Resistance shortly, so hopefully we make it.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Gotcha. Thank you, sweetie. Followed by yellow, yellow.
Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pucara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pucara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9 Nominai shall personally see them delivered.
Stand clear. Deck doors opening now.
Yeah, we go back to our color.
Green. Go to silver if you were standing on silver. Once again, green, yellow, yellow, silver, silver.
Crossing to transport.
All the way up. Let's go.
Initiate green flight sequence on deck 3 for
Yellow and silver, follow me. Yellow and silver, follow me. Not yet. Where are you going? I only said it 3 times. It's okay. Yellow first, then silver. Yellow, then silver. Right this way.
transport is away in 30 seconds.
All right, my 2 yellows right here. 2 yellows.
Hyperdrive also.
And my 2 silver.
20 seconds.
All right, good luck, kids. Hold on and wait at face covering.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company. First Order TIE fighters. Reroute.
The authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
This ship is now under the command of the First Order. You will all disembark for processing and interrogation, starting with you. Get out. Everybody else, get off my ship.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
You're needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
seatbelt securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait. You're breaking attention block 3.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who made these two droids anyway?
Detachment team routine. There they are! Fire! Take cover, recruit! If anyone's starting to blast Earth, now's a good time. Ah! The escape pods are closed! Wait, why are you going up? I said down, up is bad! Up is real bad!
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Brace the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Down the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless.
There's nowhere to run!
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Okay, you're clear!
Your escape route came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're Resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up. Scaffold's copy.
Down in Sector 4. Verification pending from key command personnel.
You get to see different things every time you ride.
Tracking that pod as a
Like,
wreckage, sir.
I was in the front car last time, so it went different places. After Jared's first ride on Rise of the Resistance, we continued our morning in Star Wars Galaxy's Edge with one of Jared's favorite rides, Millennium Falcon Smuggler's Run.
Flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy.
Welcome, my friends. Right this way. Nothing to be afraid of yet. Just kidding. A brand new flight crew. Good
luck to you all.
You gotta do that after you get out.
Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting
Watching that
a
kid
first
slobber and
order
put his
train
fingers all
shipment
over
of Croatia. Gunners, you clear the
I do. I always get fucking sick
line
when
up
I come
behind
to
the
Disney.
train.
I know.
And engineers.
Buckle planes cargo.
For your safety, remain seated and supervise younglings.
Say that pilot on the right. Go back on this stick to fly out. And push forward to fly down. On the ribbons engage. Left pilot, hit the booster. Now let's go get that Croatia. Make the jump to light speed. Yes, keep shooting. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action.
For lunch, we stopped at the Backlot Express for a Cuban sandwich and some chicken fingers and french fries.
How's your cheese sauce?
I'm a little concerned of the quantity.
There's not enough.
How much was it? $1?
Yep. $1.
Should be a little more than here for $1.
After lunch, it was time for a ride on Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway.
On 35 minutes.
35? So that wait time was right?
Yeah, we're at 30. We're not on. So another 5 minutes. Yeah, we'll be on 35.
We're standing here waiting for them to clean all the trains off at Runaway Railway, which is pretty cool.
And people watch the eye on your little railroad riders. Okay? Thanks.
All of us are here.
Testing. This thing on. Can you all hear me way back in the back? Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park. Hiya, folks. Hello there. How do you do? Hey, listen, ma'am. Sure you take good care of our friends. Worst, there's me. What could possibly go wrong?
Oh my god!
Hooray, hooray, hooray! That's right up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
Oh, I want a hot dog. Donald!
There they are! Yahoo! We'll be right back! Now, let's gaga!
Well, that concludes my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park. And thanks for sticking with me. Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. I am so proud that it was finally there.
We had a great day at Disney's Hollywood Studios, riding some of our favorite rides and some new rides. Thanks for traveling with us, and we'll see you next time.